Hi, and in this video, I'm going to share one important understanding that's going to help you connect deeper with men. Hi there, Matt Shaffer, your empowerment, connection, and relationship coach, here with you again. I am a former attorney who has committed his life to using his powers for good to help women create more fulfilling, meaningful relationships and understanding with men. And I'm really looking forward to talking about this distinction today. It's an understanding of how men perceive the way you're showing up to them. And if you understand this, it's going to really help you show up more high value in the eyes of men in your life, which is going to make them want to be in deeper connection with you. So we're going to dig into this in just a second. But before we do, take a second, hit that little subscribe button, and don't forget to click the link in the comments or caption. I'm always uploading new stuff, and I've created some great content just for you that you don't want to miss. Now, the key thing I want to focus on in this video, and what I really want you to get here, is the difference between seeking connection and seeking validation. See, now what a lot of women do when they go into relationship or they go into a dating situation is that they are seeking validation of themselves in some way. They're either seeking validation of the way they look, or they want some sort of acknowledgement or recognition for other things in their life, and they're really seeking that validation from men, and it's coming fundamentally from insecurity. And when a woman goes into a date or goes into a relationship and they're constantly seeking and asking for that validation from a man, he picks up on it. And he's going to get the sense that this woman isn't necessarily super high value. If you go into a relationship or you go into a dating situation and you're constantly craving that sort of recognition and acknowledgement from him and asking him for it in kind of a needy or insecure way, it may devalue you in his eyes, and it's actually going to stop him from wanting to invest more and wanting to connect deeper with you. So instead of seeking validation, what you want to set a powerful intention to do in your dating and connections with men is to go into those dates, go into those situations with men, actively seeking connection, not having an agenda, not wanting or needing anything from him other than a deep and meaningful connection with him. And so what does that look like? It looks like you showing up relaxed, showing up confident, showing up complete, and just being present in a situation with a man. That is very attractive to a guy, and that really shows that you don't need him. And nothing will turn a man on more than him really feeling and experiencing you as not needing him, as not wanting anything from him. Because I say this a lot, but men are truly seeking freedom with the feminine. The feminine sets us free, and one of the most important parts of us feeling free is us not feeling like a woman is trying to get something from us, right? So that's the key distinction, is that when you're going out into the world and you are meeting men, is truly, if you want to create relationship with them and you want to draw them closer to you, seek connection. Don't seek validation. It'll make a huge difference in the way men see you and the way they value you. If you're looking for connection and you show up with that sort of empowered, grounded energy, they're going to see you as high value, and they're going to want to be in a deeper sort of connected space with you. And if you have a pattern of seeking validation with men and really feeling like you need validation with men, it's important that you look at the beliefs that may be underneath that. Where do you not feel like you're enough? Where have you created some false story about yourself that you need the validation of men to feel like you're worthy? Because I'm here to tell you, you are fundamentally worthy of being loved and appreciated and cherished simply for who you are. You don't need a man's validation to reinforce your identity or who you are as a person. You don't need a relationship to be enough or to be whole. You are complete and perfect just the way you are. So if you do have a pattern of really seeking and craving validation from man as a way of making you feel better about yourself or your life, then it's probably important that you do some inner work before you go out into the world and start getting into relationship. Because if you go out from that, needy, validating space, you're going to have a tendency to attract codependent relationships, which are not going to be healthy or supportive for you or for your partner. So get out there in a heart-centered, grounded way and seek connection, be present, and be that freeing force with men, and you're going to have much better luck in your dating and in your relationships. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, take a second, hit that little subscribe button, and don't forget to click that link in the comments or caption. I've created some awesome training just for you. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time on my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.